to the O2 from my house. I normally have to take a train and then a bus. Vlog. It's not too much, just walking around, mainly the O2. Like I've said, I've been to the O2 quite a few times. I don't live that far away, so I kind of know the area a bit. So I know it quite well. The people around here just think I'm crazy because it's like the third time I'm walking down here. Oh gosh, but it doesn't matter. Just gotta get used to doing all of this. Been walking around for a while now, so I'm probably going to go outside, take some nice shots, get some rainy shots as it's raining outside. So yeah, see you outside. Just walked up here. I've looked around a bit. It's really nice. It's a nice little walk, so I recommend you guys come here. Come and have a walk near the O2. I didn't end up getting any dessert. I wouldn't know what to get anyway, really, because I'm trying to watch. Am I weird? But yeah, being out here was really nice. I kind of want to stay out here more, but it's raining and my phone's getting wet. I'm gonna go shopping. Yeah, it's just nice to have a walk. Get some fresh air.